welcome back for our journey with the chakras. Today our audio focuses on the fourth chakra, Anahata, the Unstruck. So I invite you to bring your hands on your heart space in the center of the heart space and connect with your heart. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And the next time you inhale, visualize a green, beautiful color coming into your nostrils and filling up the area of your heart, of your lungs, of the thymus. Anahata is green, like a green field in spring. Anahata means unstruck. For many traditions, this is the place of our immortal soul, the seat of Atman. So I take a deep breath into this deepest essence of myself, the one that can never be touched. So no matter what happens in my life, don't forget that there is a space within you that is unstruck. Anahata talks about love. It talks about the love for myself, first of all. My capacity to accept every single bit of my body, of my emotions, to accept all of my thoughts, and to accept my spirituality, however I live it. Anahata is that love that has no conditions. It's the love that creates union. Here, I start to extend out like the leaves on a tree. I am reaching out. I am moving towards the other. In my first three chakras, I've built myself up. I have come in touch with my instincts, with my emotions, with my willpower, and I've built my ego. So that now, when I go out towards the other, when I merge in love in my relationships, I don't get lost. And to keep my heart open to receive, open to welcome, open to give, open for the exchange of love. I need to heal my wounds in my roots. I need to heal my emotions and my emotional body. I need to strengthen my willpower and my capacity to set clear boundaries. So that when I open up from a place of awareness and presence, of steadiness and flow, of going towards and coming back. Anahata, the Unstruck, where love flows in and out in an eternal exchange. And I take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And I can come back. I open my eyes and I come back to this space. I am here now, connected with the love that flows all around and within me. Thank you for joining me in this journey on the fourth chakra.